I am. And now I'm filming.
Okay.
Filming. We're going live.
Can I say hi?
Yeah.
Hey. Guys, say hi. Mr. Filming. Say hi.
Oh yeah, Mr. Filming.
Oh, guys.
Say hi.
I knew it. I told you that. I told you that. You know. I literally told you that. I told you that. You like that? No. Yes. No. That you must be getting mixed up with somebody else. You didn't. I literally said
Sophia, say hi.
and someone like.
Sophia, say hi.
I knew that was.
Sophia.
He's filming.
Sophia, say hi.
Vicky, you have
Yeah.
nail glue?
Come on, Sophia.
Nail glue. The first person they call is
Film? Yep. Mr. Film right there. What do you think I'm doing? Oh, really? Alright, what about you? Alright, what about film?
Like, this is a better from
Alright, what you looking at?
Say I'm not posting your dresses, I don't like it, and then make them all feel bad. Oh my god, I like
This is going to print
no, sorry. I don't like that, it's not getting roasted. This dress is
Sophia, say hi.
ugly.
Sophia, man. Sophia, say hi.
It's so ugly.
Sophia. Sophia, say hi.
Wait,
Sophia?
yeah.
Sophia?
Wait, no. The third one?
Sophia.
Sophia. I thought that was... Yeah.
No. Let me see. Alexandra just
Sophia? Hey.
I don't like
Sophia,
Sorry,
come
they
on.
should be public so we can see what everyone's doing.
Yeah.
Sophia,
She's just an ugly person with an ugly
this is being filmed for
ugly
YouTube.
style.
Oh, you're making a video?
Yeah, for my guys.
Hey guys. What's up, guys?
Yeah, for Mark's Logic, yeah. They told me to post a video and they gave me the salad. Hey, no, can't, sorry.
Yeah, but I just think all of the markers, I don't like this marker. It's so tacky. Yours prom, you shouldn't, I don't like it. Covered in sequins. It's so
Yeah,
tacky.
that's how I can.
Like, yeah, that's fine. That's not your whole fucking dress. Yeah.
Hey, Nick, can you stop filming us now?